Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can create and configure a toggle button in the WinCC OA. This button is commonly used to turn on and off a device, motor, lamp, or walls in the SCADA project. The toggle button is a two-state switch that alternate between on and off each time you click it. For example, you can use it to control output like motor, light, or pumps. When pressed once, it send an on command. Once press again, it send the off command. Here, this tutorial, we'll learn how we can configure this toggle button. As you see, once I press this button, it's turn on the pump. Once again, I will press this button, it will turn off the pump. Here you can see the right now value is 0. Once I press this button, it continue write the value 1 in my controller tag. And once we press this, it will become 0 now. So let's see practically how we can configure toggle button in the WinCC OA. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial video. So we will take the push button and we'll right click it, drag and drop it here. And after that, we'll change this name with the toggle button. Okay. Now, um, come here, over the click and select it and just click next. Link your tag, for example, motor, M0, feedback, straight, run, and click OK. And select it from here the toggle off. Click finish. And now, if you come here in the runtime, just change the screen. And here you can see right now value is 0. Once I press this button, the value is changed from 0 to 1. Once again I press the button, value is again become 0. So here graphics also you can see is like once you press the value is changed. Once you again press the value is also become changed from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So Alhamdulillah, in this tutorial video, we learn how we can configure a toggle button in the WinCC OA. Thanks for watching this video.